Brett and Rachel, here today, we have gathered your friends and family to bear witness as you publicly declare your lifelong commitment of love through the act known as marriage. Began some time ago, like any good love story, in an elevator at a rehabilitation hospital in West Haverstraw, New York. It is both a long way and a long time to get from an elevator in West Haverstraw in 2017 to today, October 12, 2024, in Hawley, Pennsylvania. It is somewhere during that span, the space between chatting about Scranton to standing in front of all of you here today, that something special happened. To quote Brett, it just clicked. Like, of course we are meant to spend the rest of our lives.
I might doubt you to say something sweet if you want.
Oh, no. That's okay.
Are people climbing out?
No, they better not.
Oh, they're out the door.
Yeah, it's been wet.
What far was that? Rachel, I was infatuated with you from our first date, and I cannot be more happy that we will be married. You are my best friend, and today I promise to be your best friend for the rest of my life.
Brett, on this day, as we stand before our loved ones, I reflect on the journey that has brought us here. From the moment I first laid eyes on you, I knew that I had found my person. It took 58 days of anticipation, from checking dating apps to waiting in the Helen Hayes lobby for fate to bring us together, with a simple question of going up. Falling in love with you has been the most effortless and joyous journey of my life, from Sunday bowling to Tuesday movies, followed by Thursday kickball and weekend puzzles and mall walking. Every moment spent with you is a cherished memory. Your dedication to my happiness, whether it's staying up past our bedtime to capture the beauty of the stars, or simply giving me the better leftovers, fills my heart with love and gratitude. You are my rock, my joy, and my everything.
Wherever you go, I will go. Wherever you live, I will live. Your people shall be my people, and you, God, will be my God too. Wherever you die, I will die, and there will I be buried beside you. We shall be together forever, and our love will be the gift of God.
first met you, Brett, I have to say I was very taken aback by how Rachel acts with you. I think we all were. I had never seen her willingly give someone a hug that did not look painful. But that's just Rachel. Seriously, you glow when you're around him. I mean that. You two are very lucky to have found each other. And Brett, I am so lucky that I now get to call myself your sister as well.
As we mark 2,594 days together, I make these promises to you for our next chapter. I promise to approach our relationship with an open mind, willing to listen, learn, and grow alongside you. I pledge to maintain open communication, sharing my thoughts, feelings, and dreams.
You can always count on me to find a way to open any jar. I will take care of the spiders and the wasps, and to wake you up when you have nightmares. I vow to stand behind you as you reach for your dreams, to stand with you against any trial, and to stand between you in any danger.
We will grow old together, mall walking and playing board games like true senior citizens. I know that with you, I will love and be loved 10 out of 10 forever.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please help us welcome the new Mr. and Mrs. Bergen!
Rachel, my piece of advice to you is that if Brett comes to you and offers you a mostly eaten ice cream cone, think it through, but know that it comes from a place of good faith, good fun, and most importantly, love. And you can tell him that I warned you about it, and you don't want to have him steal your ice cream.
I promise to love you forever and make sure that you know you are loved. You are the best wife I could have ever hoped for. I am honored to have your heart, and I will strive to be the husband that you deserve. Yours forever.